I'm from Pacifica, California. We found Green Bay Remodeling on Yelp. I had told about 6 different companies and had them at the house here for exterior siding, plywood sheathing, and painting. And the bid was mid-range among all of them. And the time frames and schedule availability were convenient for me then. Here we are now. My project managers for this site are Jessica and Daniel. They were extremely responsive to me for all my inquiries and for my quality feedback and change implementation. They're sympathetic communicators and always on the ball. I'm extremely impressed by their character, and I would love to do business with them in the future.